But as far as Rahul Gandhi is concerned, the leader of the opposition in the Lok Sabha late last night has put out a post on the social media as far as his jibe that he had taken on the floor of the House while speaking on Budget 2024, where he invoked the Chakravyuh from the Mahabharata. Now, last night he issued a statement. In fact, he shared that post on the social media handle X, saying that 2-in-1 didn't like my comments, and ED raids are now being planned against me. And this is the insider information apparently that he has gathered, and he's ready to welcome them with chai and biscuits. Let me go across to Nyamika now. Nyamika, what is the leader of the opposition hinting at?
Well, this is the leader of opposition had made a tweet last night, late night, in fact, as he has mentioned that one of the two people didn't like his speech in which he has referred to Chakravyuh, and that was the only reason why he has said that some of the insiders from the Enforcement Directorate has informed him that there will be a raid upon him very soon. However, he has also given an open challenge to ED, as he has said that they are welcome with chai and biscuit from his part. So for that reason, we have also seen that how the Congress party is also going to raise this entire matter within the parliament, and that was the only reason why Congress party's Lok Sabha MP and Whip Mr. Manikam Tagore had also given an adjournment motion notice in Lok Sabha, in which he has said that this is basically a misuse of the agencies on the part of the BJP government. And when we have also spoken to Manikam Tagore, he has said that it is only because the BJP is rattled with the fierce speeches which are being given by Rahul Gandhi within the parliament, and that was the only reason why they are once again misusing these investigative agencies against the opposition leaders, as this is not a new allegation which the opposition is making upon the BJP. Also, we have seen that during the general election, they had said in the entire campaigning also that the BJP government is misusing these investigative agencies, whether it is CBI or ED, against the opposition leaders, and that was the only reason why such kind of raids have been conducted upon them. Not just raids, but also some of the cases are also being registered upon the opposition leaders, so that they are once again repeating that is going to be raised by the opposition leaders within the parliament, as Manikam Tagore has also mentioned that they are going to raise this matter within the parliament, as the entire India bloc is united in this regard, and that was the only reason why they have given an open challenge.
Rahul Gandhi invoked Chakravyuh, the reference that was clear to the Mahabharata, and in return got a response from the BJP MP Anurag Thakur as well. We have seen almost for 2 days as far as the entire controversy and the arguments surrounding the Chakravyuh controversy had rung in the parliament. Let's also listen in to the reference that exactly that Rahul Gandhi was talking about while he was speaking on the issue of the budget.
कुरुक्षेत्र में एक युवा को, अभिमन्यु को 6 लोगों ने चक्रव्यूह में मारा था। चक्रव्यूह के बारे में थोड़ी रिसर्च की और पता लगा कि चक्रव्यूह का एक दूसरा नाम होता है पद्मव्यूह, मतलब लोटस फॉर्मेशन। 21वीं सदी में सर एक नया चक्रव्यूह तैयार हुआ है। स्पीकर सर, वो भी लोटस की शेप में है सर, और उसका चिन्ह प्रधानमंत्री जी अपनी छाती पर लगा के चलते हैं। सर, जो अभिमन्यु के साथ किया गया था, जो अभिमन्यु को चक्रव्यूह में फंसाया गया था, वही हिंदुस्तान के साथ किया गया है। सेना के जवानों को आपने अग्निवीर के चक्रव्यूह में फंसाया। सही बात। इस बजट में अग्निवीरों के पेंशन के लिए 1 रुपया नहीं है। आप अपने आप को देशभक्त कहते हो, मगर जब अग्निवीरों की मदद करने की बात आती है, जवानों को पैसा देने की बात आती है, तो बजट में आपको 1 रुपया नहीं दिखाई देता। उनकी पेंशन के लिए 1 रुपया आपने नहीं दिया।
Well, let's in the meantime also talk about how the Congress party has been reacting to Rahul Gandhi's statement while attacking the government or threatening the opposition parties, and over as the opposition in its entirety has been claiming that the central agencies are being misused to deliberately target the leaders from the opposition.
After this Chakravyuh speech in the parliament, the government is disturbed, and we all know that the government, which has got reduced its number, has this habit of threatening the opposition parties using the CBI, ED and IT. That has been their culture for 10 years. People of India has punished them. They are reduced from 303. They had made them 240. They are a minority government with the support of their allies like JDU and TDP. They are able to cross the majority mark. Therefore, again the same habit they are trying to do it. Now the government is a weak government. Modi is a weak prime minister.
He keeps raising the voice of the people, and he'll keep raising it, and we are with him in this fight. And it's a pain to note that these central agencies, be it the ED, be it the CBI, be it the income tax, all are being abused by the BJP government. Everybody knows that who is a Jumlebaz, who are Jumlebaz in this nation. You can, ask across the road and the people will let you know who is Jumlebaz. The BJP, is a lie factory.
Going back to Nyamika on this, Nyamika, how is the Congress party deciding to take up the matter? The parliament proceedings may have begun for the day, but exactly when it comes to the Congress leaders and MPs in particular that we were hearing, they have taken strong objection to and have come out in support of the statement that has been made by Rahul Gandhi.
Well, indeed, and the Congress party has decided to raise this matter in the parliament today, and that was the only reason why the Congress party's Lok Sabha MP and the whip, Mr. Manikam Tagore, has given an adjournment motion notice in Lok Sabha in which he has mentioned that it is the BJP government which is trying to misuse these investigative agencies against the opposition leaders, as this was an allegation which was being made by the opposition parties earlier as also. And for that reason, now today when we have spoken to Mr. Manikam Tagore, he said that it is because the BJP is rattled with the fierce speeches which are being given by Rahul Gandhi, as they have also mentioned it clearly. The Congress MPs have mentioned it clearly that it is only because the BJP numbers have been reduced, and that was the only reason why they are really not happy with this, and the frustration is going to be taken up, and that was the only reason why this kind of information has been given by some of the officials which are being present there within the Enforcement Directorate, as it is being told by some of the sources, the insiders of ED, that there can be a raid soon upon Rahul Gandhi, and that's why the Congress party and the other opposition parties have also made it clear that they are ready to fight back, as this is something which is related to the truth, and they are going to fight back against this injustice which is being done against the opposition leaders.
All right, please do stay up with us, Nyamika. This is how it seems that the Congress party and its MPs are likely to take up the issue in Parliament as well. Let's listen into how the BJP has been reacting, because they have been hitting back strongly and condemning Rahul Gandhi's remark and calling him as a modern-day Abhimanyu as well, asking if there is any sabut of what the insider information that Rahul Gandhi seems to be talking about on his social media post.
दुर्भाग्य है इस देश का संवैधानिक पद पर बैठा व्यक्ति इतना बड़ा एलओपी झूठ बोलेगा, भ्रम फैलाएगा, संविधान की खेती करने की बात करता है, संविधान लेकर के सदन में आते हैं। मैं चुनौती देता हूं कि ये राहुल गांधी बताएं कौन अधिकारी ने इनको इनसाइडर में फोन किया। ये भ्रम मत फैलाएं, ये शर्मिंदित हैं, अनुराग ठाकुर के प्रश्नों का जवाब नहीं दे पाए।
ये आज की जो अभिमन्यु है, ये चक्रव्यूह के बारे में क्या है, चक्र के बारे में भी नहीं जानते हैं, ये केवल चक्कर के बारे में जानते हैं। ये चक्कर है उनके दिमाग में, फितूर का चक्कर है, और वो फितूर में वो एक अपराध बोधग्रस्त है, और अपराध बोधग्रस्त इसलिए है कि वो एक तरीके से वो गलत बयानी करके और वो अपने को दिखाना चाहते हैं कि वो सर्वश्रेष्ठ है।
This is how the BJP is hitting back. They are saying and seeking for the sabut, or is it shoot and scoot politics by Rahul Gandhi, asking what is that insider information that Rahul Gandhi seems to be talking about?
Well, yes, this is a big question which is being there before the Congress party, but they are saying that it is only because the numbers of the BJP have been reduced, and that was the only reason why the officials of these investigative agencies are not really do not want to agree and take the orders from the BJP government, from the NDA government, and that was the only reason why this information has been shared to Rahul Gandhi by some of the insider within the Enforcement Directorate, as the Congress party has been continuously alleging that the BJP BJP government is really rattled by Rahul Gandhi, the manner in which Rahul Gandhi has been continuously raising the matters which are related to the common man of this country, and that was the only reason why this kind of planning has been made by the BJP, and that was the reason why they are also saying that they are going to take up this entire matter within the parliament. Adjournment motion has also been given by the Congress Party's Lok Sabha MP Mr. Manikam Tagore, and the Congress Party is also planning that if such kind of action will be taken by the Enforcement Directorate, then they are ready to face them. They are ready to fight against this the so-called injustice which they are saying regarding this entire matter, because they are saying that the BJP is basically trying to target the opposition leaders, trying to target Rahul Gandhi only because he is giving a reply to all these allegations which are being made by the BJP. He is raising the matters which are related to the common man of this country, and that was the only reason why they are just trying to take out this frustration through these investigative agencies.
Remains to be seen how the Congress Party is likely to take up the issue on the floor of the House. But let's put up that social media post of Rahul Gandhi once again late last night at around 1:52 a.m. is when he put that social media post, and he goes on to say, and I'm going to directly quote from that very social media post there on your screens, where he says that apparently 2-in-1 didn't like my Chakravyuh speech. ED insiders tell me a raid is being planned, waiting with open arms as the Enforcement Directorate try and biscuits on me. So what is he hinting at, and what is the reference that has now been given by Rahul Gandhi? Of course, the Congress Party coming out in support and saying that this is deliberate misuse when it comes to central agencies against the leaders of the opposition. Nyamika, thank you very much for the